In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design a LinkedIn carousel in Figma using templates so you can create professional looking content quickly. Start by opening Figma and going to the community section. In the search bar, type LinkedIn carousel and browse through the available templates. Choose a template that matches the style you're looking for and open it in Figma. Once the template loads, review the slide layout and structure. You can then customize the design by replacing the text, images, colors, and icons with your own content. Update the typography and branding elements to match your personal brand or company style. If needed, duplicate slides to add more content or remove slides that you don't need. Make sure each slide flows naturally into the next to create a smooth reading experience. After customizing the carousel, preview all slides to ensure the design is consistent and easy to follow. When you're satisfied with the result, export each slide as an image and prepare them for uploading to LinkedIn. And that's it! You've successfully designed a LinkedIn carousel in Figma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.